So I'm just going to see if this little saw's any good. Got a couple of bits of stick look, which I'm going to use as handles to go through here. Put that in the pocket. Move around. So, to save my hands, fingers, we're going to try this, okay? So let's just see if we can, well, let's try this small trunk down here. So it's about 3.5 inches in diameter. Let's see if we can do it with a shoy. Stuck. Oops. I think technique's going to play an important part in something like this. So if we can do it from this side here. So I'm not sure whether it's just not very good or whether it's just simply my technique. So this is, it's dead, but it's still very solid. So let's see if we can do something like this. So we can see, look, it's like a piece of shit, isn't it? So this has basically come away. See if we can do anything with it anyway. So it's also not the strongest metal, is it? Let's have a look, shall we? So I think technique certainly plays a part in fitness. I'm on a bit of a slope here, so just conscious of the fact that so what is clear to me is the fact that there's no point trying to cut it like that. You've got to get it straighter. So it definitely cuts, doesn't it? It's not the easiest thing I've ever used though. nearly there. Okay, so got some tinder there. So it definitely works. A little bit concerned about that though. But you could always replace it with something else, couldn't you? Something a bit more substantial. So yeah, works. You definitely need something like this to feed through these loops. If not, you're going to wreck your fingers.